World's thinnest foldable phone? Google Pixel Fold 2 details leak. Google is introducing these changes, positioning itself against strong competition in the market. A recent leak has provided insights into the anticipated design changes for the upcoming Google Pixel Fold 2, along with additional details regarding its size and form. The report includes the first 360-degree video and higher quality renders of the Pixel Fold 2. Notably, the camera bar commonly used by Google on its devices has been removed and replaced by a rectangular module on the back of the phone. The bezel size has been reduced, and you can also see the changes to the front-facing cameras. Google is making an effort to make an exceptional foldable phone, yet Google is introducing these changes, positioning itself against strong competition in the market. According to SmartBricks, the new cover display is expected to be around 6.4 inches, surpassing the 5.8-inch display of the original Google Pixel Fold and even outsizing the 6.31-inch screen of the OnePlus Open. When folded, the Pixel Fold 2 is reported to measure 6.11 x 3.0 x 0.41 inches, larger than the original Pixel Fold 5.5 x 3.1 x 0.5 inches. Unfolded dimensions are 6.11 x 5.91 x 0.20 inches vs. 6.2 x 5.5 x 0.2 inches for the original, with the inner display increasing to 7.9 inches, up by 0.3 inches from the previous year. The table comparison indicates that the Google Pixel Fold 2 will be thinner when open and closed compared to the OnePlus Open and Galaxy Z Fold 5. However, details about the thickness of the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 are yet to be known. A significant change we can see is the placement of the front camera when unfolded. Unlike the Pixel Fold, where the camera was hidden inside an expanded black bar, the Pixel Fold 2 features a reduced bar, adopting a punch hole design for both folded and unfolded front cameras, promising an improved viewing experience. While specific information about the camera specifications is currently unavailable, the new rectangular array suggests a triple setup with multiple sensors. The square-based design includes two pill-shaped protrusions, with the first housing a single camera with two sensors and the second accommodating two cameras. A flash and a microphone appear to be positioned to the side. This departure from the original design indicates Google's willingness to experiment with its foldable range. However, details such as the device's chip and pricing remain unknown. The Pixel Fold 2 is expected to be officially announced at the next Google I/O event on June 27, 2024, providing an opportunity for the latest updates and news coverage.